What would happen if the entire Earth was slowly dragged toward a black hole? Would we be crushed instantly? Or would we watch the end coming, second by second? Could we survive even a moment inside the most terrifying object in the universe? Welcome to Space Knowhow, where we explore the universe through the most extreme possibilities. Today, we're diving into one of the darkest scenarios imaginable, not just the end of Earth, but the end of reality as we know it. It starts silently. Somewhere deep in space, a black hole drifts close enough to affect our solar system. At first, nothing seems different. The sky looks normal. The sun still rises, but gravity doesn't announce itself loudly. It whispers, then it pulls. Astronomers would notice something strange. Planetary orbits begin to shift. Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, slowly dragged off course. Then Jupiter follows. And eventually, Earth is no longer orbiting the sun. We are falling. As Earth gets closer, the sky begins to warp. The stars don't stay where they should be. They stretch, bend, and smear across the darkness. This is gravitational lensing. The black hole's immense gravity bends light itself. Imagine looking up and seeing the entire universe twisted into a glowing ring. At the center, pure darkness, a void where nothing escapes, not even light. Here's where things get truly disturbing. As we approach the black hole, time itself begins to slow down, but not for us. For an outside observer, Earth appears to move slower and slower, almost frozen in time. From our perspective, everything feels normal. Seconds pass like seconds. Your heartbeat stays steady. But to the rest of the universe, we are fading into eternity. Then comes the real horror. The closer side of Earth feels a stronger gravitational pull than the far side. This difference is called tidal force, and it stretches objects violently. At first, oceans begin to bulge. Massive tides rise higher than anything in history. Then continents crack. The crust fractures. And eventually, everything is pulled apart. Buildings, mountains, even atoms. This process has a strange name, spaghettification, because everything stretches into long, thin strands, like cosmic spaghetti. There is a boundary around every black hole, the point of no return. It's called the event horizon. Cross it, and escape becomes impossible. Here's the terrifying part. You wouldn't even notice crossing it. No explosion, no flash, just silence. From the outside, Earth would appear frozen at the edge forever. But from our perspective, we continue falling deeper into the unknown. What happens next is one of the biggest mysteries in physics. Our laws of science begin to break down. At the center lies the singularity, a point of infinite density, infinite gravity, infinite curvature of space and time. Everything we know stops working here. Some theories suggest we would be crushed into nothingness instantly. Others suggest something even stranger, that black holes might be gateways to other parts of the universe, or even other universes. There's another problem. If Earth falls into a black hole, what happens to all the information? Every book, every memory, every human experience. Physics says information cannot be destroyed, but black holes seem to erase everything. This contradiction is called the information paradox, and scientists are still trying to solve it, which means, even now, we don't fully understand what a black hole really does. If you were somehow still conscious, your view would be unimaginable. Light from the entire universe compressed into a tiny bright point ahead of you. Time outside speeding up infinitely. You might witness the future of the universe in mere seconds. Stars dying, galaxies fading, until everything goes dark. Black holes are not just cosmic monsters. They are laboratories of extreme physics. They challenge everything we think we know about reality. And maybe they hold the secrets to the universe itself. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there are objects so powerful that even time cannot escape them. Space Knowhow, exploring the universe, one impossible question at a time. Subscribe if you're ready to face the unknown.